We are back in Colorado, pet sitting Brioche. In fact, you might hear him barking in the background. So today I decided to do something I have not done before, which is go on a solo hike in bear and mountain lion country. And I have to admit that it's something I'm definitely afraid of. But I knew I had to do it anyways. As Joyce Meyer always says, do it afraid. So I did it afraid, and I had a little bell on the back of my pack and a whistle tied onto my jacket and some snacks and water, and off I went. And it was a 4-mile hike, almost a 4-mile hike with a 500-foot elevation increase. I think that's a proper terminology. I'm a rookie at this. And I hiked for a little over 2 hours, and as you can see, I just had some absolutely amazing views. I'm a little sore now, but I'm happy to say that I did not see any mountain lions and no bears. And actually, I saw quite a few people on the trail, so that was nice. So I'm super excited, and I'm very, very proud of myself that I went on a solo hike, my very first one in Colorado, and it was definitely worth it. The name of this spot was, give me 1 second, and I will tell you where I was. I was at the Rabbit Mountain and I hiked the Eagle Wind Trail, and I used the All Trails app so Tara could track me on my hike, and I could send her messages throughout the hike and make sure everything was safe. So I will let you watch the rest of the video. And what a place. Very thankful I got to experience that.